My name's Jordan Jolly. I'm a retail assistant at Rebuild with Hope. The circumstances to me being out of work was mainly due to not being able to fill application forms in properly, which then led to no response from the employer or rejection. And then when I did pass that stage, went on to interviews, and again I was a bit shaky with the interviews as well.
In my role, I go and speak to employers. I try and find vacancies. If I can make them exclusive, that'd be brilliant, but I can't always promise that. But at a base level, I can send referrals over, hopefully get interviews for these people. But behind that, we have a team of advisors who are absolutely exceptional at the jobs, offering holistic support, whether that be through mental health and well-being. We do have people who can talk about finance difficulties or money management. We offer expenses for travel, we offer expenses for training. We do 6 months in-work support if you do get employed. So we're there if any barriers crop up.
I've been unemployed now for 6 or 7 months now, something like that. Challenges mainly at finding work is all to do really with the applications and how to apply myself in interviews, and then after that it's all about then keeping it. The Restart scheme, they've helped me out with plenty of different qualities. That they've helped me with interview techniques to help me with my interview confidence, how to fill out applications to the best of my ability. They're the ones that got me involved with Hope, which give me the chance of where I am now. I've learned a lot of qualities like first aiding, pat testing, manual handling and safety. I'm going to be starting an apprenticeship next month with Rebuild, so they've helped me out a lot and I'm going to progress my career.
There's 35 referrals in the file at the moment, 10 volunteers actually working on the shop floor and behind the scenes in the warehouse. We've got 3 employed cleaners, and we've also got 2 apprentices who are due to start a level 2 in retail and a level 3 in retail supervisor.
I've struggled with confidence a lot in face-to-face meetings. Coming out and talking to customers every day helped me so much more. Reflecting back on the Restart help, it's been nothing but amazing, and it's just helped me progress. I feel very grateful for everything they've done for me.